Tucker is high into the air and Reza wins the header there. Here comes to Clark now. Clark turns and plays it out left for Akinchilira. Akinchilira cuts inside McCarthy and he's going to go for the goal, and it's a good save by Howard that is near post. Ball's played into Barkley, who's allowed time and space to turn, and he slips in a good ball for Lukaku. Lukaku's up against McArdle here, into the penalty area, shoots at a good save by Yasmin, but it comes from Morales at the back post, who heads Everton into the lead. And after such a positive start, Everton FC are behind. It was a good initial first save by Yasmin. Maybe he could have done better, as he could have pushed it further away, but credit to Morales, he threw himself at it, and it's 1-0. Corner for Everton is going to be Barry to take. Barry floats in towards Distan, and hits Voluminous pass up into the air, and Yasmin catches. Yasmin looks to get it going quickly, and it's Lukaku who puts it in, and it happens again for Yasmin. Disaster for Yasmin, but it's an absolute gift for the big man. What an absolutely horrible moment for the goalkeeper, and Everton have doubled their lead. It's now 2-0. Clark shapes deliver across into the middle, and that is way too long by Chris Clark, and it's going to go out of play for an Everton throw on the far side, and Leighton Baines is going to take it, throws it, and then it's won by Pierce, and it comes to Park, who's got space on the edge of the box, shoots, and he's found the corner out of the post. What a goal from Brandon Park! What a way for the Motties to respond, and this time it's through an Everton mistake. The ball was so cheaply given away by the host, and Park set himself, and that's a beautiful finish to make it 2-1. Here's Reza for the Motties. Plays it out wide for Lockett onto the right. Lockett, that's a nice ball through, finding Park. Park into the area, cuts inside, curls it on his left foot, and it's just wide of the post. Lukaku up towards Morales. Morales slips a coup, buries him with a chance, and a good save by Yasmin. Barkley, that's a nice ball down the line for Pienaar. Pienaar down the left, manages to get his cross away. It's comfortably cleared away, but only as far as Gibson. Gibson shoots from the box, saved by Yasmin. Fian Traore is there to make it 3, and surely get the points for Everton. He's barely been on the pitch, but Traore has surely finished this game. And it's another goal from a rebound where the FMC defence have been slow to react. Yasmin again maybe should have done better with the first shot by Gibson, but credit to Traore, who was alert and was able to finish it off to surely wrap up the points for the Toffees. Pierce has won the throw down the right, and he's going to take it in towards Park. Park turns away nicely, and that's a good cross into the middle, and Coops unmarked here. Coop heads it into the corner, and it's game on, and absolutely nothing else from FC are right back in it. Great control by Park, and a good cross into the middle. Coop was completely unmarked and heads it into the corner for 3-2. Yasmin with the long kick downfield. Coop is going to have to work to get that. Oh, Coop's winning, and he's kept in as well. Coop has got space to run into down his left hand side. He's got 2 for company though. Coop in a good crossing position. You've got Park in the middle. Coop looks at Park, and he finds it, and he's found the ball corner. It's Brandon Park. What an unbelievable finish to this game. That's a superb run by Coop. What a cross. Everton should be doing better than that in terms of marking, but credit to Park, what a header. And they have equalised. Everton looking to win it for the second time, but they've lost it. And Pierce plays it up, and here's Park. And look at the run Coop is making. But Park can find him. This could be incredible. He's found him. Coop is one-on-one. Coop into the area. The corner. Incredible. Coop scores to complete one of the most incredible Premier League turnarounds in recent history. Everton threw so many bodies forward, and there was no one back to deal with the threat. And you don't give that man time to shoot, because he will punish you, and he has done. It's 4-3.